In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an overlay, Modal, in Figma. This is a very common interaction in UI design, and understanding how to implement it correctly will greatly enhance your prototypes, making them feel more natural and intuitive for your users. Our first step is to establish the basic interaction that brings up your overlay or modal. In Figma, this means adding a prototype connection. You'll want to navigate to the Prototype tab in your right-hand sidebar. Then, select the element on your main frame that you intend to use as a trigger for the overlay. This could be a button, an icon, or any interactive component. Once selected, you'll see a small circular handle appear on its right side. Click and drag this handle to connect it to the frame or component that represents your modal or overlay. This initial connection tells Figma that when this specific element is interacted with, something new should happen, linking your trigger to the content you want to display. Now that you've created a connection, Figma will usually default to an action like Navigate to. However, for an overlay, we need a different behavior. With the prototype connection still selected, look at the Interaction Details panel that has appeared on the right. You'll see an action drop-down. Click on it and select Open Overlay. This is a crucial distinction because Open Overlay is what makes your selected frame appear on top of your current screen rather than replacing it entirely, which is the definition of a modal or pop-up. It allows the user to see the context behind the overlay, creating a different kind of user experience. This is where we implement the core functionality for closing the overlay by clicking outside. Once you've set the action to Open Overlay, you'll see a few additional options appear in the Interaction Details panel, allowing you to fine-tune how your overlay behaves. Among these, you'll find a very important checkbox labeled Close when clicking outside. Make sure to check this box. What this does is instruct Figma to automatically dismiss the overlay whenever a user clicks anywhere on the screen. Outside, the boundaries of your modal itself. It's a highly intuitive and common user experience pattern that provides a simple and familiar way for users to close a modal without having to locate a specific X button or a cancel action within the modal. While you can still include a dedicated close button inside your overlay, this method offers a broader, more user-friendly interaction, enhancing the overall usability of your design. You can also adjust other settings here, like the overlay's position on the screen, or add a background behind it for better visual separation. Finally, it's time to test your work and see your overlay in action. To do this, click on the Present button, which looks like a play icon, usually located in the top right corner of your Figma interface. This will open your prototype in presentation mode. Now, interact with your design. Click on the trigger element you set up earlier to open the overlay. Once the modal appears, simply click anywhere outside its boundaries on the main canvas. You should observe the overlay smoothly disappearing, confirming that your close when clicking outside interaction is working perfectly. Testing your prototypes regularly helps ensure that the user experience is exactly as you envisioned. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to create an interactive overlay in Figma that closes when a user clicks outside.